When should someone quit their day job to be an artist?
When there's a moment, so you got your day job and the artistry is coming up. There's a moment that you're burning that candle at both ends, right? And you could only sustain that for so long. But I am a proponent of like work really, really hard until when you quit your day job, the hobby should be able to cover your basic needs. Maybe it won't get you like the nice dinner or something, but like your rent and your car payment and your insurance, your basic survival things should be covered by it. So until then, just grin and bear it and work both. And then, because sometimes you'll have a really good month where you'll make a lot of money, but it'll come right back down until you have several months of consistent. There's a pattern that you are getting the clients and people are booking you, then you should consider quitting. And it'll be scary regardless.